Little Edie, little Miss Edie Beale Bouvier, Miss Little Edie Beale, Miss Little Edie Edwin Beale, Jr. In her most iconic, most fantastic, most fabulous flower power, vintage of course now, swimsuit, a very iconic, a very a masterpiece work of art, a very fantabulous work of art from the fashion industry, probably a Jansen original. Little Miss Beale taking a little siesta on Rhode Island, of course, somewhere in New York's East Hampton. Little Edie, quote unquote, man changes and is variable, but nature remains the same. The sun and the moon and all the things go on. In spite of man, he crumbles.